Okay, we're diving straight into something totally monumental today. We are looking at a literal blueprint from our source material that is designed to rewrite your physical reality from the absolute ground up. And listen, this is an urgent, high-stakes explainer. The source describes this as a literal life-saving shortcut. We're talking about completely restructuring your health. We're talking about building massive, massive wealth. And the crazy thing is, this isn't just about crossing your fingers and hoping for a better life. Nope, this is about pure, undeniable mechanics. It's a highly structured process to bypass the daily grind and actually rewrite the fundamental code of your existence. And best of all, it's a secret mechanism you can start using today.
So, I have to ask you, are you living in a shadow? I know, it's a heavy question, right? But we really have to shatter your current perception of reality right out of the gate. Our source reveals this staggering truth about how the world actually works. Basically, the physical world around you, it's merely a delayed, clunky shadow. I mean, the chair you're sitting in, your bank account, your physical health, none of these things are the actual source of your reality. They're just an echo. They are literally the leftovers of what already happened in your mind. If you're out there only reacting to the physical world, well, you're just boxing with shadows. You're exhausting yourself fighting the effects instead of controlling the cause. You're basically losing the game before you even step onto the field.
And that concept brings us right to the core secret we need to unpack. Visualization is the beginning of creation. Look, I need you to forget everything you think you know about visualization. This isn't just passive daydreaming. It's not just sitting around wishing for a new car or better health. According to the source, it is the literal, hard-coded starting point of manufacturing physical reality. Think about an architect. An architect doesn't just show up to an empty dirt lot and start blindly laying bricks, right? No, they draw a highly detailed, precise blueprint first. Every single wall, every window, it's all planned out. That blueprint is the creation. The physical building is just the inevitable result of that blueprint. So if you want a different physical output in your life, you absolutely must change the input first.
Okay, so how do we actually change that input? The source says we use the 10-cycle frequency, which they call the alpha dimension. This is wild. This is the exact scientifically measurable brainwave frequency where you take conscious control of your subconscious. When you manage to drop your brainwaves to exactly 10 cycles per second, something incredible happens. You reach this state of profound physical relaxation, but your mind remains hyper-awake and extremely focused. You completely stop being a passenger who just reacts to life and you step firmly into the driver's seat. You gain the literal ability to directly command those deep parts of your mind that dictate your actions, your habits, and ultimately your entire reality.
Just look at the massive contrast here. Over on the left side, we have the physical world. Your biological eyes are wide open and you are buzzing away at this clunky, super fast 20-cycle vibration. And honestly, this is where most people are trapped all day long. It's noisy, it's stressful, and it's incredibly slow. Now shift your focus to the right side, the mental world. Your eyes are closed, you're operating at that smooth, ultra-powerful 10-cycle frequency. This, right here, this is the control room of your reality. This is where the actual code of your life is written. You simply cannot rewrite the code while you're stuck out there in the noise of the 20-cycle world. You have to step into the control room.
The crucial takeaway here is that all the massive reality-bending faculties you actually need for a huge breakthrough, they are completely locked inside this 10-cycle right brain hemisphere. Take a second to really think about belief and imagination. You can't access those effectively while you're panicking about paying bills in the 20-cycle physical world. It just doesn't work. If you want to tap into true, unshakable belief, or if you want to use vivid structural imagination to actually build wealth and repair your health, you have to slow down. You literally must drop your frequency, because only then do these tools become active, and only then do they have the actual power to alter your reality.
So essentially, reality is built backwards. Or actually, scratch that. It's backwards to how we are taught to think about it. The source explains that absolutely everything must first be constructed in the mental dimension. Every single dollar you earn, every single physical change in your body, it has to be built in the mind before it can ever materialize in the physical world. Think of the physical world as just a basic computer printer. Your mind is the computer that's actually typing the document, right? You would never start yelling at a printer for printing the wrong words. You would just go to the computer and change the text. Well, your mind is the computer. The physical world is just printing out what you've already typed.
Let's look at how this plays out over time. Our source breaks time down perfectly, and honestly, it is a totally mind-blowing truth. The past, those are just thoughts that have already materialized. They're printed, done, over with. The present, That is simply the messy, chaotic construction phase. It's the real-time process of your previous thoughts materializing right now in front of you. But the future? The future is where your real power lies, because the future is entirely composed of conceived thoughts just waiting to become physical things. Your future already exists in the mental realm. It's just sitting there, waiting for the green light. So the terrifying question really is, what thoughts are you conceiving right now?
So, what exactly happens if you have a faulty impression? What if your mental blueprint is just completely messed up? Let's say your mind is filled with intense anxiety about having massive debt, or maybe you have a deep, deep fear of poor health. If that bad impression just sits in your mind, it is currently dictating your messy present. And spoiler alert, it will absolutely dictate your future. Your brain will mechanically command your physical reality to output exactly what is on the blueprint. If the blueprint is broken, the building will inevitably collapse. And look, we can't just slap a fresh coat of paint on the outside of a collapsing building. We have to go back to the drafting board. We have to fix the blueprint.
And here is the exact, actionable sequence to do exactly that. It's 4 highly specific steps to force a reality shift. Step 1, you acknowledge the problem physically in your left brain, okay? Step 2 is absolutely critical. You close your eyes. You literally must physically shut off the overwhelming data stream of the 20-cycle world. Step 3, you deliberately drop your brain to 10 cycles using deep relaxation and countdown exercises. And finally, step 4, you are now inside the control room. This is where you alter the impression in your right brain. You vividly see the wealth. You see the perfect health. You fix that blueprint in extreme vivid detail.
Now, why do we go through all of this specific mental engineering? Because of one absolute, unbreakable mechanical rule from the source material. Physics must follow the mind. And this is not presented as some polite request or a nice wish. The source states it as an unavoidable tendency, a strict mechanical law. Once you successfully correct the internal impression at the 10-cycle alpha dimension, the heavy lifting is completely done. The world of physics just blindly follows suit. It has literally zero choice in the matter, just like a shadow absolutely must follow the object casting it. Once that mental image is fixed, your physical reality will naturally and inevitably shift to perfectly match it.
But hey, what if you can't reliably drop your brain to 10 cycles just yet? What if you're a beginner and you're still learning? Well, the source offers an urgent, super practical workaround that is centered right on the number 20. Basically, even while you are fully awake, walking around, and buzzing at a normal 20-cycle vibration, you can start practicing. You do not have to wait until you have perfectly mastered deep meditation. You can start laying the groundwork for this life-saving shortcut right now, today, with your eyes wide open. You can start training the machinery immediately.
So here is exactly how you practice in your waking life. You want to start strengthening your visualization muscle with these punchy physical steps. First, look at an object intensely. Then, close your eyes. Try to perfectly recall the visual impression of what you just saw. Describe it to yourself in full detail and full vivid color. Really make it real in your mind. Furthermore, when someone is telling you a story, don't just passively listen to the audio. Force your brain to literally paint the picture in real time. Create rich, mental movies from their spoken words. Do all of this while you are wide awake. Build that mental muscle up, so that when you finally do drop down to your alpha level, you are fully armed and totally ready to create. And that brings us to a truly mind-bending claim from our source material regarding the number 10. The source states that reading their specific countdown exercises aloud for a total of just 10 hours, which is maybe 20 minutes a day, has this profound ambient effect. They claim it literally guarantees that your family members will find this proper functioning dimension without even doing the exercises themselves. The theory is that simply hearing the pacing and the structure gets them there through sheer resonance. I mean, it proposes a massive, generational shortcut to health and wealth for your entire household just through ambient exposure. How crazy is that?
So we have covered exactly how reality is mechanically built. Your future is truly just an unmaterialized thought that is sitting there waiting for its cue. You have the mechanics now. You know exactly how to go in and change the blueprint. Look, don't just watch this. You need the right tools to actually shift your reality. Go to manifestatormind.com right now, get your mindset blueprints, and start changing your life tonight. The link is right below.